We're Robatech Canada, and we're here in Toronto today to showcase the latest and best equipment from Robatech for adhesive dispensing equipment. So green initiatives are embedded in our corporate culture at Robatech, and sustainability is a philosophy adopted by the Robatech organization around the globe. When we create and engineer new products like the ones we have on display here today, there are three guiding principles that we operate under. The first consideration is for the environment, and the second is our social impact, and the third is how we govern our organization. We ask ourselves when developing new products, what benefit will this bring to the environment? Can we reduce energy consumption? What about wasted product caused by adhesive application failures? Can we reduce or eliminate that kind of waste? And if we can, we will reduce landfill and paper waste, and that's a real benefit for the environment. So the reduction of adhesive consumption benefits not only the customer's bottom line, but the cost of packaging overall, the cost to the environment, and ultimately the cost to the consumer of those products. At Robatech, our focus has been on developing new products that can achieve these goals. For example, today we're demonstrating an application gun that operates without compressed air to the valve. It's an electric valve and the most energy efficient applicator on the market. Compressed air is expensive. It requires high energy inputs to supply. We have eliminated that. If we want to reduce adhesive consumption, we need to consider that we need to divide a long line into smaller pieces. This means more cycles on the valve. It's not an engineering win if we create a gun that reduces adhesive consumption but needs replacing every 10 million cycles. Today we have a solution, the all-electric Volta applicator. With this applicator we can achieve 1 billion cycles, reduce adhesive consumption, reduce energy consumption, and that's a very big benefit for the environment and our customers. We're proud to introduce this to our customers today. Here we have three application guns, each providing dots, intermittent lines, and full beads. The small dots here are from our compact Speedstar. This is the fastest gun in the market today. It can achieve in the neighborhood of 1,000 dots per second. The middle intermittent line is from our newest gun, the Volta, which is an all-electric head and is capable of 1 billion cycles before needing to be replaced. And the head on the outside doing the beads is a slower AX diamond head suitable for case erecting, that sort of application. With the Vision melter, you can imagine that an operator walking down the production line glances over at the melter and he can determine at a glance the status of the machine. You can see that it's all green, so that means all systems are go. There are no errors on the machine, there's no problems running. In addition, you can have a visual reference point to the amount of adhesive that's located in the tank. As well, he can refer to the adhesive pressure of the piston pump, what that setting is at. And that's important to make sure that this setting isn't adjusted if he has it set to the exact quantity that he's looking for. The Vision system is also Wi-Fi enabled, meaning that you can see there's no display panel. We can activate and access via the Wi-Fi network all the screen capabilities of a traditional melter. So we can set temperatures, we can adjust patterns on the fly, we can do it remotely from a PC in a desk upstairs. It's not hardwired, it's fully integrated by Wi-Fi. If you look at the robot integration we have here with the UR robots in particular, we have developed hose applicator connection points, 360 swivel connections between the hose and the application gun, because you can imagine that this puts our hose and gun under a tremendous amount of stress, migrating across various platforms in 3 dimensions of space. The integration to the UR includes both a software integration as well as customized end-of-arm tooling to mount applicators. Not just the UR robot line, but many other lines are currently in development by the Robatech group to make your robot integration as seamless as possible. Everyone at Robatech understands that when you work with Robatech, we are guided by green initiatives and social principles. And good governance is critical. We care how we operate as a business throughout the world. We care about business ethics, accountability, transparency, and anti-bribery compliance. We believe that a well-governed company will naturally align with progressive social and environmental responsibilities and lead to a better future for all of us. Robatech is green gluing, and green is our attitude. Taking responsibility for the state of the world and our environment is one of the major issues of our century. We strive for careful use of resources. We find solutions using adhesives that reduce waste and help transition from products like plastic to paper packaging. So if you're anywhere in Canada and you have an adhesive application question or a need, we have the new products that are developed specifically for that.